How to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Chrome on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now tap on the search icon at top of the screen, and then you have to search for this particular URL. Simply type in Chrome double dot and forward slash Chrome space and URLs and press enter on your keyboard. Here you will see all the list of Chrome URLs. Simply you need to tap on Chrome history, and then here you will see all the history along with the incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.